Today we are going to learn how to check graphics card in Windows 10 computer. Let's start. On desktop window, you have to right click and then select display settings option. Now go down and click on advanced display settings. After this, new tab will open. Here you have to select display adapter properties. In this first step, you will see half of your graphics card details. You can check how much memory your graphics card has along with its type. Now, you will move to second part to get rest of the details. Press Windows key plus R together, then type DXDIAG and click on OK. It will take some time to open DirectX diagnostic tool. In this you will get complete properties of your graphics card. You can see which processor you are using, how much memory your graphics card is having. Now click on the display and get more information about your graphics card.